Asarcon of Mr. Pun OTV. Good evening. All set now, ready to race. Final race for tonight, Wednesday, here, Santa Ana Park. The favorite, Tiger Sword. And the race is on. On the outside, Jenny Scott, Mary Susa Pima, moving up by the Dream Lover, Parthenon, Jalapeno, Strategic Manila, Tiger Sword rising up, and Lady Marlin fourth last alongside Easter, he's standing strong, Red Warrior. 3A, Jenny Scott by about 3 lengths, followed by 3. Zapima on the outside, and Marisus alongside. Tiger Sword is racing in Port Jalapeno. Lady Marlin closing in 6th. As they race the last 600, Jenny Scott, Marisus, Zapima, Tiger Sword on the outside, and Lady Marlin Jalapeno, Parthenon. Horse of horses scrambling to the lead position. Marisus, Zapima, Jenny Scott, Tiger Sword, Lady Marlin, Parthenon, and Dream Lover. Marisus down on the inside, Zapima, Marisus, Zapima, Zapima, Marisus, Zapima, Marisus, and finally it's going to be close. Zapima, Marisus, Tiger Sword.